ready? My name is Teacher Riva. Let's go and study together. To start with, let us have first our review. Let's talk again. What did we study on the last video that we had? On the last video, or from the previous video, we talked about place and value of digits and numbers. You have the place, you have the place value. For the place, we chose 5 digits only. So beginning from the left, we begin and start with 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Again, 10 thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. What are their different place values? For 10 thousands, you have 10,000. Thousands, you have 1,000. Hundreds, you also have 100. Tens, 10. And lastly, ones, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All their values depend on what place they are in. Example, looking at this abacus, we only have 2 places. So we put here number, place. How many beads are in the tens place? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beads. How about the ones place? 1, 2. It has 2 places, or 2 beads rather. So the number would be 32. We have here tens, we have here ones. 3 is in the tens place, and ones, we have the 2. 3 in tens has the value of 30 because 3 tens is equal to 30. 2 in the ones place has the value of 2. Another example. Looking at this 5-sticked abacus, we write number, place. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. We have 2. We have 0. We have 1. And we have 5. So the number would be, what number would it be? 42,015. We write 4, we write 2, we write 0, 1, and 5. 4 in the 10,000s has the value of 40,000. 2 in thousands has the value of 2,000. 0 in hundreds has the value of 0. 1 in tens has the value of 10. And 5 in ones has the value of 5. How do we write numbers in expanded form? How do we write numbers in expanded form? You have here one whole cube and an abacus. We used the figure and the abacus in order to write the numbers in expanded form. We used this whole cube for 4-digit number or less, and we use this abacus for 5-digit numbers or more. If you know how to find the place value of each digit, it's easy for you to write the numbers in its expanded form. Example: 1, 2, 3, 1 flat, 2 flats, 1 tens, 2 tens, 1 cube, 1 small cube, 2 small cubes, 3 small cubes. We have 3, 2, 2, and 3. So we have 3,223. It's a 4-digit number. When we do write it in words and break down it's 3 thousands, 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. In expanded form, it can be written like this: 3,223 equals 3,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 3. Just have to rewrite what's the equivalent number of each word. 3,223 equals 3,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 3. Another one. This time, let's use an abacus to write the numbers in its expanded form. We have 42,015. 42,015 is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In 42,015, 4 10,000s, 2,000s, 0 hundreds, 1 tens, and 5 ones. So, in expanded form, it shall look like this: 42,015 equals 40,000 plus 2,000 plus 0 plus 10 plus 5. That's the expanded form of number 42,015. Now, let's move on to our lesson of the day. On this video, you are going to learn 2 major topics. First, you would have comparing numbers. Can you repeat after me? Comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, look at this. Supposing, looking at this one, you have 4,057. And on this side, you have 4,000 or 42,015. We compare them of what number is greater or what number is lesser, or even would the 2 numbers be equal. So you can see 4,057 is a 4-digit number, while 42,015 is a 5-digit number. Let's try to see how these number of digits help us to compare the two numbers. Okay, looking back at the previous slide, when we compare numbers, it's easier for us to use the following symbols. First, if you see this symbol, this symbolizes or this represents greater than or the bigger number. Repeat after me. Greater than. Greater than. Okay. Next, if you see this symbol or if you use this symbol, this means less than. Less than. Repeat after me. Less than. Okay, good job. And if you see this sign or if you use this sign, this simply means equal to. Equal to. Repeat after me. Equal to. Okay, one more time. Greater than, less than, equal to. Let's try to use the following symbols basing on the number of digits of our given abacus. In here, we said 4,057 is a 4-digit number, while 42,015 is a 5-digit number. If we look at 4,057, 4,057 is less than 42,015. 4,057 is smaller than 42,015. While 42,015 is greater than 4,057. Or 42,015 is bigger than 4,057. Take note, the more numbers of digits, the greatest is the value. 4 and 5, what is small? Isn't it 4? 4 and 5, what is bigger? Isn't it 5? Yes, it is. So the more number of digits, the greatest is its value. Okay? Now, how about this? Let's compare numbers with the same number of digits. Let's compare numbers with the same number of digits. What does it mean? 2,413 and 4,057. Let's count how many digits are there. Let's count how many digits are there in each number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both two numbers has 4-digit numbers. Both are 4-digit numbers. Now, how are we going to compare them? Well, where in fact, they have the same number of digits. How to do it? 2014. The value of 2 is 2,000. And the value of 4,057, 4 is 4,000. What is bigger, 2,000 or 4,000? It's 4,000. So, 4,000 is greater than 2,000, or 2,000 is lesser than 4,000. That means 4,057 is greater than 2,413, or 2,413 is less than 4,057. That's comparing numbers with the same number of digits. Now, let's arrange numbers with the same number of digits. Let's have 4 abacus. The first abacus is 42,015. Next is 53,202, 43,627, and lastly, 37,365. All the numbers have 5 digits. So how are we going to arrange them? Let's find the value of each beginning number first. Look at this. The value of 4 in 42,015 is 40,000. Next, the value of 5 in 553,202 is 50,000. Next, here, the value of 4 in 43,627 is 40,000. And lastly, the value of 3 in 37,365 is 30,000. When we arrange numbers, we arrange them according to 2 kinds of arrangement. First, ascending. Repeat after me. Ascending. Alright, when you say ascending, it means the numbers are going up. Very good. And when we say the opposite, say descending. Okay, when you say descending, the numbers are going down. When we arrange numbers with the same number of digits, we are going to look at each of the values of each digit. Example. $37. Looking at there, the value of, or the smallest value of digit is 30,000. So that means the first number that we are going to write is 37,305. The next is 40,000 and 40,000. They have the same value of the first digit. So let's write them together and compare the next numbers. 4 and 4 are the same. 2 and 3 are not. So, what is bigger? 2 or 3? 3 is bigger. That means 2 is less than 3. So the number that we're going to write first would be 42,015, followed by 43,627, and lastly, having the value of 50,000, we write 53,202. Since 4 here is the same, we move on to the next number. And then this next number, we compare them to each other on what is the lesser or the greater number. Next, arranging numbers with different number of digits. 1, 2, and 3. The first abacus contains the number 2,413. The second number contains the number 37,365, and the last number contains 42,015. They don't have the same number of digits. Let's try to find out their individual values. First, the value of 2 in 2,413 is 2,000. The value of 3 in 37,365 is 30,000. And the value of 4 in 42,015 is 40,000. That means, what is the smallest? It's 2,000, so the first number in an ascending order is 2,413, followed by 37,365 and 42,015. This is in an ascending order. However, if we arrange numbers in a descending order, we start with 42,015, 37,365, and lastly, it's 2,413. Last example. This one. As what I have said, if you will arrange these numbers in descending order or order going down, the first number that we will write would be 42,015, 37,365, and last is 2,413. Okay, that was all about comparing and arranging number of digits. Wait for follow-up activities. Thank you, and that would be all for today. I hope that you have learned something. Thank you again for listening and for watching our homeschool learning. See you next time. Goodbye everyone, and keep safe always. Bye-bye.